Good morning, welcome to a new day on the tropical island of Lombok. Welcome back to our hotel. Just a quick view. We're going to the airport in 1.5 hours because we're heading over to Bali to buy furnitures to fill this place with furnitures, table, chairs, lamps, pots, and hopefully we will be able to buy everything we need with 2 kids. Like furniture shopping with kids, it's not the most easy thing. Especially not on Bali where you have like thousands of stores. But we will try our best and see how it goes.
Oh, kelihatan bagus ya Pak.
So very interesting when you start polishing here and you get all the dust. Look at all the spider webs that we have. I can promise you they won't be here when we're open, but now since it's been 6-7 months since we built it and it's just been standing, the spiders have had some pretty good time to make their webs, and you don't see them very well before you get all the dust. So there's definitely going to be a lot of cleaning when we're done with all of this. But today, Pak Masod will start polishing the floor. We got the machine here, the big one. Gotta find the shelter spots. We have 1 hour before we have to be at the airport. But there's been some rumors I've seen online yesterday that they started pouring the asphalt on the MotoGP. So we're taking up the drone for a quick view before we're going to the airport, just to show you. And then, because I will be going 1 week to Bali, so when I come back I will show you like a prop. Ooh, oh, careful Mathias, don't break the proper. So when I come back I will give you a proper view of the MotoGP. But now just a quick view of the place. A drone in Lombok. This place is covered with buffaloes, water buffaloes. Now they are coming. They are so huge. To be honest, I'm a little bit afraid, but I just have to stay calm, keep focus on the drone. They have big horns. They are talking to each other. They have this sound. This is a thing that is very like exotic with Lombok, that you have all of these water buffaloes going around like open in the streets everywhere. It's like you feel a little bit like Africa, like being on the savannah in Africa watching this. So cool, so cool. Now we need to run back, pick up the little one at school and head for the airport.
Bye.
Terima kasih banyak. So we made it to Bali. It's been some time since we were at Bali the last time. Yeah, but not, yeah.
I watch your video on YouTube
Oh.
and I also subscribe to the channel. And
Terima kasih banyak ya. Yeah. So we have made it through all the checkpoints with the COVID situation, everything, got our luggage, just having a little toilet break before going to our villa in Seminyak. We're living in Seminyak for the first time ever. We always go to Canggu, but since Bali is so quiet now, we figured out we want to try Seminyak. Usually Seminyak is too busy. So we made it to our villa here in Seminyak, and sorry, but we're quite disappointed. This is quite tear down, or like it's not new anymore, so it's definitely, yeah. And we already rented and paid upfront 5 days. We rarely do that. We always book like a couple of days first and then find another place, because it's so nice to check out different places and we extend if we like it. But this time we did go full on 5 days on a villa here in Seminyak, and it looked nicer on the photos than it is in real life. But I think we will manage to enjoy it, and we're here to shop, so we will probably not stay here that much anyway. So hopefully we get a good night's sleep. Hopefully the beds are comfortable. Now we're waiting for our good friend Jan Egil, and we're going out buying some food. Jan Egil! So nice to see Jan Egil again. It's been many months, almost a year actually, since we saw him the last time. So it's very nice to be together again here in Bali. Now we're going home. So it was never a good timing to end the edit yesterday, so here we are in the next morning. New day. Not so negative about this place, but here we are in Bali. It's a new day, going out to eat breakfast, and then the furniture shopping starts. So thank you so much for watching this edit, and I'll catch you on the next one.